Good. Okay, we're talking about area of a rhombus and a kite today. And they use the same formula. The formula for both, again, I would make sure and write this down. Area equals 1/2 of diameter 1 times diameter 2. Or I like to do diameter 1 times diameter 2 divided by 2. Okay, either way, doesn't matter. We're gonna jump right in and try them. So, I said diameter. I meant diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, okay? So I have a diagonal here, and I have a diagonal here. And remember my formula is gonna be diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2, okay? So when I look at this diagonal, some of you are just going to want to say 6, and you have to remember it's that whole diagonal. So it's not a value of 6, it's a value of 12, all right? So area equals 12 times 10 plus 2, 12, divided by 2. 12 times 12, 144. And we're going to divide that by 2. Area equals 72. I don't give you units, so you just tell me units squared. Okay, seem easy enough? Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, divide that by 2. Oops. All right, same thing here. Find the area. We are going to have diagonal 1, which is 17. Times diagonal 2, which has a value of 21. See, from here to here is 21. So that line's 21. From here to here is 17. So that line's 17. So 17 times 21 divided by 2. 17 times 21 is 357. Divided by 2 gives you 178.5 meters squared. Okay? And that's the area of that one. And they're also going to give you problems where they say, hey, here's the area. You tell me what one of those diagonals are. Same formula applies. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So area equals diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. Plug in for what you know, solve for what you don't. What do I know? What do they tell me? They tell me the area is 169. Don't be laughing at the number. 169 equals diagonal 1, we're going to do 2x. Can you guys see that? Am I in the way? This diagonal is 2x. This diagonal is x. Okay, I have the values here and here. So diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, which is x, divided by 2. Okay, I am going to kick this 2 out, so I'm going to multiply this side by 2. What you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2, and we get 338 equals 2x times x, because those cancel, right? X times x is x squared. So we end up with 338 equals 2x squared. I want to get x squared by itself. What do? I divide both sides by 2. 169 equals x squared. How do I solve for x? You have to take the square root. Square root of 169 is 13. X equals 13. That means the value of this diagonal is 13 units, because that's what it measures. All right, guys, quick recap. Area of a trapezoid is going to be base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. Area of a rhombus or a kite is going to be diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. And then I have a little sheet here. This is a graphic organizer I would have given you if we were in class together. Can I have this, Mom? Okay. I want to make sure you guys, I'm turning you, sorry if you're getting motion sickness. I want to make sure you can see what those formulas are. In case you missed one of the lessons, which I hope you did not, you can use this to write them down. All right? Thanks, guys.